Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the bike and the parts. Wear gloves, shift to the smallest chainring and smallest rear cog so the derailleur is relaxed. Once done, remove the old housing and inspect ferrules and end caps for wear. Replace if nicked. Next, slide the new outer housing into place, following the same cable stops and avoiding tight bends. The goal is smooth, gradual curves. Make sure housing lengths allow full handlebar turn without stretching or compressing the cable. Now feed the inner cable through the shifter, through each housing segment, and down to the derailleur, keeping it untwisted. Once done, pull the derailleur toward the smallest cog to set base tension and seat the cable in the anchor bolt. Tighten finger tight first. Make fine adjustments using the shifter barrel adjuster to remove slack, then click through the cassette slowly while watching the derailleur. If it hesitates, add small increments of tension and retest until it responds crisply to each shift. Finish by setting the high and low limit screws to prevent the chain from overshifting off the cassette. Test both extremes while pedaling slowly. Once satisfied, trim the excess inner cable, crimp an end cap, and torque the anchor bolt to spec. Then shift through 5-10 times to let cables settle and recheck tension. If you encounter skipping, noisy shifts, or chain bounce, check housing routing for friction, confirm proper B-tension adjustment, and verify the cable is not frayed at ferrule.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.